Hello everyone, this is Neha Badlani, Energy Tarot Reader and Guide with Cool Kanya. Here's your weekly tarot energies for the week of November 2nd to November 8th, 2020. Aries. There's no reason to worry, Aries. You've been focusing on fears far too long, and there has been this feeling of uncertainty regarding a certain aspect of work. This is misleading you to expect the worst. Anticipate only your highest hopes and dreams right now. Keep your vibration high, keep your thoughts positive, work on, visualization and imagining the best possible outcomes to scenarios. And know for a fact that the universe will bring them to you. You are ready to take on a new project, a new role, a new responsibility on the career front, on the work front. You are also ready to take on a leadership stand. Your management will inspire others to speak up as well and take charge of their lives as well, Aries. You have that kind of power to influence people around you. You recently have come across a situation, or you will come across a situation where you think or you've thought, hey, somebody should do something about this. Well, that somebody is you. If there is something that bothers you, if you are passionate about some cause, some project, or you feel a certain amount of change needs to come about in certain areas, take the reins of control in your hand and make that change happen. Well, that you're going to be entrusted with all this responsibility this week. There might be moments you won't feel fully ready or prepared for it, but you will be guided every step of the way, and you will gain confidence along the way. In summary, the need for optimism, taking control of situations, and leading the way and inspiring others. Have a fantastic one. Taurus. This is a very important time in your life, Taurus. What you do next or your next move will define, the shape of your life, the person you will become. In this magic between what has been and what can be, take time to reflect on your innermost true calling. This should be a moment of personal power, Taurus. So resist the urge of dwelling on failures of the past. Break free and take the path or the road less traveled. Take the unconventional approach. Take risks. Go out and go out and get what you've set your eyes on. Consider devoting your time and efforts to projects that are really near and dear to your heart. For some, there's a higher purpose involving service towards youth, children, mentorship, careers in teaching, or natural interests such as writing, art, music, sports, healing. Anything that supports the youth and the younger generation is highlighted and will be rewarding. You've accomplished a great deal in your life, Taurus. Plan forward and be the real you. Be who you are. That strong-headed, full of grit and determination. In summary, discover your life's purpose. You have the ability to do anything this week, and supporting the youth. Have a fantastic one. Gemini. You have important things to say at work this week, so let people hear them. Some might be called upon to be a spokesperson for a cause that's close to their heart, or required to lead meetings and presentations on the work front, or on the professional front. Time has given you the expertise to be a natural born leader, and you have the charisma and wit this week to sort of charm everybody around you. So put that to good use. You are a natural leader, you are a natural teacher, you have a lot of gifts to share with the world. Please go ahead and do all of that this week. You also have the right words to say to people, so speak up and express yourself, put your opinions out there, communicate correctly, stand up for what you believe is right, bring ideas to the table. You have a brilliant mind, put it to use. The energies support careers with media, content, marketing, publishing, blogging, co-authoring, education, and the likes. So all of you in these sort of professions and careers, it's an excellent week to press the accelerator and just sort of launch your work, or put yourself out there on social media. For those looking for answers on the next steps and are not sure on their career goals, turn to reading and research. Intuitively select books and materials to read. They will hold the answers to your questions and steer you in the right direction. In summary, bring out the charismatic speaker and leader in you. When in doubt, research, stand up for what's right. Have a fantastic one. Cancer. You're being called to action, Cancer. Now is the time to achieve great things. work on your goals. If you show determination and devotion to your plans right now, you are going to be rewarded with prosperity, with success, with everything coming into fruition. Career opportunities should be pursued with utmost confidence right now. You are free to do what you want, so take no pressure. There are no restrictions from anybody. Give birth to a dream, launch your venture, surround yourself with creative endeavors that bring joy. It's that kind of a week. It's the perfect time to plan and make moves. All the stuck energy is starting to, dissipate and leave your environment. So make use of that. You have the right to change course, which means that if something was not working out earlier, or you've been stuck in a situation for long and you want to, select a different option or a different route, please feel free to do that. You don't need to wait for permission to take charge of your own destiny. No one needs to tell you if it's okay to change course or not. You already know the answer. Do away with blame and feel empowered, Cancer, to envision a bright tomorrow for yourself. In summary, you are free to do what you choose. The ability to abundantly create resources, manifest abundance, success for yourself, and the perfect time to enact or put the accelerator on plans. Have a fantastic one. Leo, keep your eyes on the bigger picture, Leo, rather than the details of the moment. You may have some decisions that you'll need to make in the coming times, but you also have the time to arrive at them, so you don't need to rush into anything. Things might be in slow motion right now, but don't worry about that. Take this time to map out long-term strategies, plans, visions for your career, or the field of work you're in. It's all right to be independent. However, keep in mind that it can be of great benefit to have help around you, to work in tandem with people, with like-minded people, listen to ideas of others, expand your perspective of the worldview. You never know what can come about. Either way, you will do very well this week in managing all your work, your tasks, your responsibilities, in your profession, at the workplace, be it a business or a startup or a project. Negotiations will be successful, but you need to be patient. Try to curb all this restless energy that you have going inside you. I know times are tough, and the conditions are bringing out these feelings in all of us, but try to curb it the best way you can. If any situation needs balancing on the work front, remember to function with love, compassion, and hold only positive thoughts and vibrations for all, and watch your blessings multiply in beautiful ways, Leo. In summary, evaluate all your options, consider a partnership or help with someone, and becoming a successful manager. Have a fantastic one. Virgo, you have the blessed gift right now, Virgo, to see past her current situation and envision amazing possibilities. You're so positive, as a zodiac group, that sometimes you can just, attract what you really want for yourself. If events are not moving as quickly as you had hoped, know that the heaven has a better plan laid out for you, and don't just stick to what you have imagined for yourself. If there is a pause in action, know that it's temporary. Things and projects will take flight soon. You may be called to set aside your priorities and maybe help someone else with their needs. It's alright to rush to someone's aid as long as you have healthy boundaries and you take care of yourself first. Set boundaries and return to your own goals at the appropriate time. If you are thinking of how to better your career, the answer lies in practicing skills that are related to your field, your interest, your passions, and also whatever is needed at the workplace. Study, research, take some online classes. A little time set aside to polish your skills will yield long-term paybacks, Virgo. In summary, giving to others in a balanced and healthy way, embracing your own uniqueness, and practicing perfection, and knowing that all tasks are going to be managed well. Have a fantastic one. Libra. Some of you are very sensitive people right now. That's the energy I'm picking up on. You are affected by the foods and beverages that you consume. Your energy and moods, either elevate or waver depending on your diet right now. So be very careful of what you're consuming. Be mindful and detox from unnecessary substances to help you be more productive with your duties at the work front. You have a lot to do this week, Libra, so get organized and make notes, and don't miss out on anything or any important task. Plan it and structure it in such a way that you have a to-do list and everything laid out. Ask for counsel of colleagues, experts, friends who have experience in a particular situation that you might need assistance in. There's a loving, loyal help that is available for you from your loved ones, your inner circle, or your tribe, once, or your colleagues, or someone at the workplace like a confidant. Once you have it all planned out, roll up your sleeves and get to work. If a project is stalled or stuck, there is also some stuck energy for some of you. You have the amazing ability to complete it in a short time, or to turn it around for yourself, or to get moving again on all the stuck projects. So you have a lot of power this week, I think, Libra, if you know just channelize it in the right way. In summary, nutrition will aid in productivity, get organized and then act, finishing projects and meeting deadlines. Have a fantastic one. Scorpio. A windfall of resources is coming your way this week to help you get off to a fantastic start. The resources are not necessarily in money, it could be in gifts of time, wisdom, material goods. This is an optimum time, Scorpio, to change careers, launch your venture, take on an alternate line of work, or even get into business yourself. Be open to acquaintances, networks, or people who can introduce you to new sort of people in their network. Helpful people who can provide career tips and insights to you. So keep your eyes and ears open. You might also set aside money for purchase of a home, for your education, loan, or maybe some sort of plan B, which is a good idea this week. Write down your goals, your missions, or simply your thoughts and ideas. Just keep journaling everything down so you can keep track of things. Just writing and releasing your thoughts out on a piece of paper, even on a laptop, will help you bring structure in your life, and you will know what to do next. In summary, good fortune and blessings make their way to you. A progressive career path is coming for you, and write down your goals, and dreams in a structured manner, and also tap into your network and see what can come out of that. Sagittarius. The truth has revealed itself, Sagittarius, and everything is starting to make sense now. There is a logical reason for events unfolding the way they are, even though they might seem completely random or without meaning. The answers will come suddenly to you this week, like an epiphany of sorts, and everything will start getting clear again. There's a lot of clarity coming to you. You might feel the need for some alone time. You might want to take some space out. Peaceful solitude will bring out a lot of hidden treasures in you. A lot of personal gifts and talents can come to light. But you need to take that time out to sort of do the inner work and reflection. It's a time to re-evaluate career aspects and decide what is important for you, Sagittarius. In what ways would you like to contribute? What paths, will lead you to feeling satisfied at work? What makes you come alive? What kind of professions align with your values? What kind of organizations align with your values? If you've been worrying about bills or complaining lately, just turn to prayer. There's no point in complaining. You have enough going for you. Just pray to the universe to give you more and to keep you safe and happy. Ask the universe to guide you in ways that can help you make money in meaningful ways. Miraculous solutions have the capacity of springing up this week, so be open to some delight. In summary, embracing the truth of situations, embracing the truth of yourself in stillness, re-evaluate your priorities and ask yourself what makes you come alive. Solutions are available. Go inside and pray. Have a fantastic one. Capricorn. Many things are happening at once around you, and you don't mind doing all these sort of multiple responsibilities and work, as long as you believe that you are making a difference, you are contributing in a meaningful way. Channel the fun, passionate, witty side of your personality, Capricorn. This is going to help you deal with difficult situations right now with grace. There may be some challenges, but you are aware that it is taking you and leading you to a higher life state where you can sort of contribute towards your work and career and take it even higher. You may feel insecure about, some of you may feel insecure about making a career transition or feel stuck in a job that offers financial security, but there are no other rewards in this job, so you might get a bit frustrated. Or you may be wondering how to build a stronger financial foundation for yourself. So everything around money, security, safety, all of these thoughts are gonna make their way in your environment, in your mind. Have faith that you are fully supported by the heavens, as long as you hold positive intentions and follow the signs that the universe is trying to show you. You will be guided along. In summary, Capricorn, handle situations with grace, walk the talk this week, make commitments, stick to it, Commit to your life purpose, whether it's leaving a job or taking a new job, doesn't matter. Just know what you want and commit to it. Have a fantastic one. Aquarius. You are at an important juncture in your life right now. It is time to make decisions regarding what you want. Spend time in quiet contemplation so you can get the clarity of what you should do next, so you can listen to your heart's desires, as there are many options available to you. The good news is that you have the ability to pinpoint your desires and you know that you deserve them. The doors of opportunities open up easily because of this. Feel confident and say no to anything that does not meet your needs. If you find yourself in arguments at work or feel challenged, step back and review situations objectively rather than getting into a war of words. Your struggle may actually stem from some unresolved conflict within rather than conflict with others. Everything that's happening outside is a manifestation of what we feel inside. So check within before you go blaming anyone or storming out on someone. It's a good time to work on yourself. However, if it is about your principles, then take a stand and put your point forward. Don't let fears get in the way of between you and doing what you know is right. So when it is required to raise your voice, when it is about morals, ethics, principles, then please go for it. If it's just conflict and pettiness, then work on your inner self and know it's stemming from you. In summary, strength of character will shine through this week, Aquarius. So keep your head held high, claim your personal power, and say no when you should. Know when to say no. Have a fantastic one. Pisces. Wonderful news is on its way. Announcements regarding work, projects, new offers, clients, graduation, some sort of completion. All of this will be revealed and is on the cards. Exciting new beginnings or exciting and happy endings are also just around the corner. This time indicates the need to spend time with friends outside of your work groups or just like-minded people in general. If you cannot step out because of the current situations globally, you pick up the phone, get on video chat and connect with as many people as you can. It's a time to get together. There could be some social engagement that you will be invited to. It's a time for community building, reaching out to people, sharing of yourself, being the star of an organization, just really shining kind of vibes. Take your work on a public forum, get on the internet, on the stage, conduct workshops, webinars in the skilled areas that you pursue. Be a public speaker, reach out to a wider audience. You have much to share with the world, Pisces, and the best way is to get on a platform and take advantage of technology right now. Present your ideas and keep shining. In summary, take your work public, heartwarming times, reunions, and communities on the cards, happy endings and happy beginnings. Have a fantastic one.